Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be learning, we're going to be doing question 2 from chapter 9 of the McGraw-Hill assignment. So, the success rate of an experimental medical procedure is 37 per 120 cases in a sample. Find a 95% confidence interval for the actual success proportion of the procedure. So here, step 1, like everything, write our known. So what do we know? Well, X number of successes is equal to 37, that is given to us, and our sample size is equal to 20, that is also given to us, and Z score equal to 1.96 is calculated from our 95 confidence interval that they gave to us. So step 2 is to find our point estimate. So formula for this is, let me highlight it. P bar equals to X divided by N. So this equals to 0.33083. So that's our P bar. So from this, we want to find our standard error. So using this formula, we can find our standard error of 0.042155. And the standard error is pretty much the standard deviation. And we can also use the standard error to calculate our margin of error that can be used to calculate the confidence interval. So as you guys will see, step 4, find our margin of error. It is the exact same formula here and here. If you guys can see my cursor, all you got to do differently is just times your Z score with your standard of error. So once we do that, 1.96 times 0.042155, this equals to 0.0826. Let me highlight that for you guys. And that is our margin of error. So from this, we can actually find our confidence interval because that's enough to find it. So step 5, find our confidence interval. And from this, we can find our upper and lower limits, and we use our point estimate, and this is why we had to find it in the first place, to find our confidence interval. So once you find that, you do the point estimate, which is 0.3083 plus our margin of error, which is equal to 0.3909. That's our upper limit, and it's a plus, that's why. So our lower limit is 0.3083 minus our confidence 0.0826, which is 0.2257. So you guys can see in the answer, I'll highlight that in orange. This is our confidence interval.